We set out towards the Superstition Mountains early in the morning, reaching the trailhead at about 8 a.m. This 3-mile round-trip hike is perfect for beginners and follows a moderate sloping path up to the jagged slopes of the Superstition Mountains. Here the trail quickly became steeper and much more rugged, with a lot of large boulders to cross over in our path. After another 15 minutes on the trail, we soon reached the jagged slopes at the base of the mountain. The seasonal water pools that usually gather here in the spring were now dried up and stagnant. I climbed about 20 feet up the rocky cliff face, and there I found what we'd come to see. These petroglyphs were carved by the Hohokam Native Americans over 1,500 years ago and depict various animals, people, and other tribal symbols. We took a moment to enjoy the morning view before finally heading back the way we'd come.